So let's look at this first one. We are going to find the slope of each line. Are the slopes the same? If yes, they are the same, then the lines are, do they have the same y-intercept? If yes, they do have the same y-intercept, then they are the same line. If no, they don't have the same y-intercept, but yes, they do have the same slope, they are parallel. So let's go back over here. Are the slopes the same? No. If they are not the same, are they opposite or inverse? It should be and inverse. They have to be both. If yes, they are opposite and inverse, then they are perpendicular. If no, they're not opposite and inverse, and they do not have the same slope, they are not parallel or perpendicular. Okay, so that goes in your iNotebook, gets taped in. The next part is this one right here. You are going to be looking at the graphs, and you're going to be using the points to create slope, and you're going to tell me, are these parallel, perpendicular, or neither? Now, I caution you greatly, because just because they look like they might be parallel, perpendicular, or neither does not mean that they are. So I want you to figure each one of those out, and then write on the bottom whether they're parallel, perpendicular, or neither. This also goes into your iNotebook. Just tape it right in. And then the last one, you're going to look at each one of these equations, and you're going to tell me if they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So let's look at a couple. So here we have two equations, y equals mx plus b, so we're looking for the slope. Here the slope is the same, so we know that these are parallel. The next one, y equals negative 1x plus 5, and y is 2x. Well, they're not the same, obviously, and they definitely do not have opposite and inverse slopes, so this one is neither. The third one down here, we have 1/5 and 1/5, so they're exactly the same, except for one's positive and one's negative. So be careful there when you look at that one. I'm not going to do that one for you. I want you to do that one on your own. So let's look at this one up here. So these are in point slope form. So we know that the m is here in point slope form. And we know that they're both the same. So then these are definitely parallel. So I want to come down and I want to look at this guy right here. Now, don't be weirded out that there's nothing here. It just means it's plus 0. But look at our slopes here. They are inverse. They're flipped over, right? One is positive and one is negative. So this one definitely is perpendicular. I want you to go ahead and finish those up. Go ahead and do the graphs and go ahead and do this one. I want those taped into your iNotebook, and then go ahead and watch the rest of the lesson. See you guys.